I'm Mr. Masserini. I'll be your instructor for this course, Introduction to Aviation at Must University. The first portion of this course, we're going to have a look at aviation history, what brought us to our modern aerospace industry, modern flight, concepts behind some aeronautics. We'll have a look at the government oversight of aviation through Department of Transportation and Federal Aviation Administration. Let's get on with the first of it. Though we can certainly be confident that man's thought about flight for millennia, the first in the Western world to put these thoughts on paper was Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci had a lot of drawings, a lot of very brilliant engineering ideas, though with some shortcomings, in the 1500s. His concepts, however, continue to inspire other people. The next major milestone, and you'll find all this in your text I've prepared for you. Next major milestone was Robert Hooke. He conceptualized that for man to fly, because man was heavier than air, he would require a means of propulsion. That, of course, was a significant thought, because we now know that that is exactly the case, and the only way that flight is possible today is through a means of artificial propulsion. You'll find in your text that there was also a strong interest in the late, from the 16th through the 18th centuries, in particular in balloon flight. Both hot air and gas balloons were successfully flown in 1783. And it brings us to our next significant figure in the development of modern aviation. He's known as the father of aerial navigation, Sir George Cayley of England. He founded modern aeronautics. He had discoveries of the basic principles that are still used today. He built the first working model of an airplane. That brings us the next significant step or milestone. It's going to be in the year 1903 by the Wright brothers. After 400 years of man attempting flight, conceptualizing flight, studying things in nature that flew, the Wright brothers finally put it together. On December 17th, 1903, North Carolina, they managed to be airborne and controlled airborne for a total of 98 seconds. That 98 seconds in these two brothers' work was indeed the beginning of modern aviation. There's a lot more information in your text, however, I'm not going to recite it to you. I assume everyone in this class can read. So, I'll next come on the air with some study of the government oversight of aviation.